Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering what you need, the phone number you want to check, and if asked, the associated billing address. Once done, open an official Do Not Call Registry search page in a secure browser. This avoids scams. Make sure to choose whether you're checking a single number or uploading a list. The process differs slightly. I'll show you the single number flow first, then explain list checks. This step prevents delays and ensures accurate lookup results. You now perform the actual lookup. Type the number exactly, area code and country code matter, then complete any CAPTCHA. That prevents automated abuse. Click Search and wait for the registry to return status: registered, not registered, or unknown. If you're checking many numbers, upload a CSV using the provided template and field order. The site will process a batch and may email results. Make sure to save a copy of responses for your records and You finish by reading the results carefully. Registered means you must not call, while not registered means calls may be allowed but still governed by other rules. Once done, export or screenshot the results and note the timestamp. This is essential evidence for compliance. If an error occurs, retry the search, clear your browser cache, or switch devices. Make sure to capture the error message and send it to support. That troubleshooting step resolves most lookup failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.